fucking peer pressure Brandon into anything, alright? Alright, just start drinking it.
This is my 335. It's pretty sexy. Sold the 370, so I can become a crackle boy like Brandon. Brandon's recording right now, getting those angles.
You did a great job, Brandon.
Here, let me record you.
Pain his ass out.
All right, what are your thoughts on this car, Brandon?
You know, it's not as cool as Speed 6, but
Shut up.
Speed 6.
It'll do. Brandon's living that Speed 6 life. So I already got the muffler cut off.
I like your birth.
Shut up. I already got the muffler cut off. Got rims. They'll be here Friday, aka tomorrow.
Yep.
And Jack's in love with this car.
Oh, it's so cool.
He loves the pops.
Love pops.
I'm gonna tune it.
I put these real carbon badges on it,
Yeah, real carbon.
and then I put these tips on it.
Hard to see in the dark.
I put the real carbon trim in the interior.
Oh, look at that.
Hey,
Oh,
flex.
oh my God.
I put these lights on the ground.
Oh,
you open the door, you gotta flex.
got those
no one's
sick,
flexing.
got those sick lights.
So as you know, we're going real boy with this car, so we have all the real carbon on it.
All the real carbon. Real
Up
boy.
front here.
I hate you,
We have
Jack.
these real carbon badges here, and then
Real
these
carbon.
are real carbon grill canards. Or as you call them.
Canards.
Yeah, what are you fucking high? Well, what do you want
Apparently.
to call them? Kidney stones?
And then we got these
Stupid ass.
kidney stones, kidney grills. We got these sick,
That's the dumbest name.
sick lights.
They're all carbon.
Oh, look at that.
The new Halos, they're all carbon.
Get that zoom.
He's got
They're,
a carbon splitter on the way.
They're so bright they blind you.
Carbon wing on the way.
Carbon wing.
And we're probably gonna carbon wrap it eventually.
We're just gonna go all carbon on this.
real carbon.
Yeah, so we're in a dark
Real
parking
carbon,
garage right
because
now.
he's real boy.
Yeah, because Austin thought it'd be a great idea to, you know, let's park in this dark corner.
Well, it's better than where we just were.
Real fucking-
Yeah, so
Don't end the video yet.
I'm not ending it. That's the. What are you doing?
I gotta pull up Marcus's channel.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, this is our sick, or my sick 335.
And mine.
Not Jack's. Here you go, Brandon.
I'm like the Godfather, but you know.
Let's see if I can get some light. You know.
Here, give me the camera.
Are we gonna go rip it? I think we'll
camera, Brandon.
I think we'll go rip it some.
All right.
Light to moderate pop. Oh my God! You guys hear that? It's not popping very much right now. Sounds sick.
All right.
Yeah.
Gotta pull up this real quick. You guys,
Jack's,
I got it. Jesus. You got
Jack's
it?
gonna do something.
All right, so if you guys will do us a solid and go check out our buddy Marcus. Here's his Instagram. It's Marcus240SX.
Hold on, it's not.
He's doing YouTube videos. And,
There you go.
He's doing some charity events for car shows. So if you guys want to go check out his Instagram, give him a follow, and then check out the YouTube channel in his bio. That'd be sick.
Yeah, he wasn't in the. He was at the place when we were doing all the Sunday skids.
Yeah,
like
but-
he was in charge of all that.
Yeah,
so.
he'll be in some future videos for sure. He's got
So-
a 1J Swap 240. So
So it's gonna be sick.
yeah, he's a good driver for sure.
So Brandon, what do you think of this car?
It's pretty good.
I mean, BMW, but
Oh, BMW. Says the guy that drives the Speed 6.
Yeah, I love your Speed 6, Brandon. It's so cool.
shut up, Jack.
One of a kind. Thanks.
I feel like Brandon was all scared right there, like, oh my God, you better slow down before you hit that car in front of you.
Shut the fuck up.
Careful, Austin. Be careful. No, whoa, guys, let's slow it down
It's
here.
chill. Here's Brandon every time he get on the throttle. Careful, Austin. Austin, careful.
No, this is him every time, like word for word. Chill.
Yeah, chill, Austin.
That's Brandon every single time.
How do you feel about that, Brandon?
Wait, I say two ketos?
Two Q toes.
Two ketos.
Two ketos.
Toquitos.
I think so.
Shit right now.
Huh?
What?
What?
Huh?
Let's do a first gear roll.
You're in second gear.
It said first.
You're in second.
That was gay.
It wasn't even a hard pull.
What are you videoing, Brandon?
I don't know what he's laughing at.
What are you laughing at? Yeah, it's a sick video. Dope. Dope. Are we done here?
What, with the video?
Yeah.
No, it's,
You didn't even fucking rip it.
it's your video. Yeah, do some donuts. That's not a donut.
Oh yeah, sorry. I mean, whip one in the fucking intersection.
Go
Hey,
for it.
whip it down right now, no balls. That's it?
What do we just lose?
That's kind of weak.
Ooh.
What?
Brandon, try this.
Oh fuck yes!
Brandon, try that.
Where did that come from?
I don't know, it just flew out.
Where did that come from?
Brandon, try that.
Try it.
No.
Try it.
Did you buy it?
Yes,
Yes.
I bought it.
It's
Try
it's supposed
it.
to be like some healthy organic drink.
It's like a
Hell
organic
no.
smoothie.
Brandon, try it.
Brandon, it's an organic smoothie, damn it!
I don't want to get AIDS after you fucking drank out of it.
I
now.
didn't.
Yes, just drink it, Brandon.
I bought 2 of them.
Oh, then why is this one fucking open then?
It's not open. Look at
What
it.
the fuck
It's
are you-
full.
Because I gave it to Jack to smell.
And I was like, nah,
Just try it.
try it, Brandon.
No, it smells like fucking asshole.
No, try it, dude. Promise me. Do it. It's so weird. It's a smoothie.
Brandon, just try it.
Brandon.
I don't want to do it.
Brandon, try it. You can read all the ingredients on it.
Dude.
What
What the fuck is green chard?
Green chili. What does it taste like, Brandon?
Dude, that literally could not have been a better time for that bottle to fly
Fuck out of here.
to fly out from wherever it just came from.
Alright, well. Bye.
Update, guys. We found the camera.
Got the
But
camera
Brandon's
back.
still gonna chug this.
Brandon's supposed to
Oh wait, we didn't announce that.
Brandon, chug this real quick. Since we
No,
got
no,
the-
not in the car. He's gonna puke.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. He's gonna puke. So
Honestly,
Brandon's gonna chug that as soon as we get back to Jack's
I don't know why
house.
they sell those things when people
I'm
are
not
supposed to drink.
chugging shit.
Brandon,
Shut
what do you
up,
have to
Brandon.
say about losing the camera
You
back?
can't fucking peer pressure Brandon into anything, alright?
Alright, just start drinking it. Oh my god, look at him.
He actually threw up.
Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. Brandon, look at it. Dude, he's fucking, he's crying. He's literally crying.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
Dude, I can't. And people pay $4 per bottle for that, Brandon.
Dude, can you give me something to drink?
Oh, dude. Water
You want orange
assisted.
juice, Brandon? Brandon, you want orange juice?
Jesus. That wasn't Brandon. Brandon. Brandon, how was it? How was it, dude? Oh. Brandon, you good? Brandon, that was a full send right there. That was a full send, Brandon. You're kidding me. Look at the front, it says everything that's in it in big letters. Let's see, we got cucumber, celery, grapefruit. What is green chard? Green leaf, lettuce. There's lettuce in there.
It may not seem that bad, but I'm fucking telling you, this is shit, it's terrible.
Oh my god, Brandon puked.
Wait, did he really?
So,
Saving that shit for later.
so if you had to rate this drink, Brandon, what are you giving it?
I like how the water coming out of your eyes.
No, you can't even rate it.
Dude, literally, you can buy this at Walmart.
Yeah, so if you guys want to try a really good drink,
I can only imagine the type of girls
it's called
that drink
Suja.
Hey, let's make this like a challenge.
They're probably like, oh,
Let's make this like
I
a challenge,
can't eat
alright?
any meat.
90
Send us
pounds.
fucking videos. Hey, do you guys Instagram? Yeah, we just.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go buy this shit, alright?
come try it.
Send us videos of you trying it. Cause I fucking guarantee you will not fucking like this shit.
Yeah, so,
God, it's so cold!
so that's our video.
Oh!
That's our video.
Alright, that's sick.
That's sick, right, Brandon? Here, go ahead and spit. Here you go. Here's your hat. That's sick. Come on, Brandon, say it. That's sick.
That's fucking sick.
That's sick.